If you've decided to cancel your YouTube TV subscription, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So first, open the YouTube TV app on your device or go to the YouTube TV website on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you wish to cancel. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're signed in, click on the profile icon again and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Membership tab. Click on it to view your subscription details. Next, find the Cancel Subscription option or Cancel Membership. You'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Make sure to read any information about what happens when you cancel, such as the end date of your subscription. After confirming, follow any additional prompts to complete the cancellation process. You should receive an email confirmation of your cancellation shortly. And that's it. You have successfully canceled your YouTube TV subscription.